The Venturing into Volunteering Fair is for individuals who are 50 and older looking to volunteer. We have done this event in conjunction with the 50 Plus Expo because they too are looking for individuals who are 50 and older. And so it's a great time for people to come out and learn about resources for that community, as well as find out about how they can volunteer and give their time, talent, and treasures to help meet the needs in our community. We have nonprofit and public agencies, anything from the Park Authority to organizations that help to support mental health, housing and food insecurity, youth education, pets, all kinds of organizations that need volunteers to complete their missions.
Well over 1,000 people attend our expo every year. This is our 25th anniversary year. We provide dozens and dozens of exhibitors in all kinds of areas, nonprofits, government, and businesses that are for profit, as well as providing health screenings and all kinds of vaccines that people need this time of year.
We've seen post-pandemic that our volunteering rates have gone down a little bit. And so this is a great time for you to come out, learn about what's out there, and get involved. Your community needs you, and it also benefits not just those you're serving, but has some health benefits for you. So we'd love to see you out learning about the opportunities that are out there in our community.
This year's event is Sunday, November 3rd from noon to 4 at Springfield Town Center. What's so great about the Expo is that in just a couple of hours you can visit all kinds of informative exhibits, get your health screenings that you need, get your vaccines that you need, have a good time with all the people who you get to meet and talk to, and come away with a bag of good information and lots of chocolates.
Anyone who wants to learn more can go to our website, and on it has information about the nonprofit and public agencies that will be there that day, as well as information linking over to the Beacon 50 Plus Expo events.